Hi everyone, today I am starting with the reference photo I took during one of my travel. I love exploring new places and capturing moments that inspired my art. So let's get started on painting with the beautiful scenes together. So we will bring with the stunning sunrise effect. I will use a mix of light blue, purple, titanium white, orange and red to create the magical glow in the sky. For the foreground, I am blending ultramarine blue and sky blue to achieve a soft foggy effect. So as you can see, I am applying these colors very softly with the 1-inch brush, and next I am painting a lush green grassy field. Since the sun is just rising, the grounds look dark and shadowy, adding depth to the scene. Now I will work on the trees in the background. I am adding far off trees for a scene of distance. On the left, I will paint a large dark tree in the left, and in the center some tall trees to make the composition feel immersive. So as you can see, on the left side I am painting this beautiful tree. This big tree shows the life in the painting, and I use dark colors. As you can see, little bit of dark leaf green and black. So in the center I am using dark color also to show the sunrise effect. It looks very stunning and beautiful, and these trees are not very straight. As you can see in the painting, I'm using the flat brush to making the leaves. So once the trees are done, I will bring them to life by adding beautiful leaves and some delicate watery reflections and foggy effects. Use black color on the canvas very carefully because there is no chance for the mistakes. I am blending the base of the trees. So finally peel off the masking tape from the edges, and here our finished piece, a beautiful acrylic painted